Hi students, coming to the next topic, that is a time sharing system in operating system. So this is one of the evolution of the operating system. So what is a time sharing system? It is this time sharing system is very similar to multi-programming batch system. So what is that multi-programming batch system, I explained in the previous video. So just go through it. So this time sharing system is just similar to multi-programming batch system, means all the programs can be executed simultaneously. So here the idle time will be reduced, the processor idle time will be reduced. And in fact the time sharing system or an extension of, you can call this as an extension of multi-programming system. So it's just an extension of the, means it is adding some more features to this multi-programming system, then it becomes a time sharing system. So what it adding? So it had the features like it can be used to handle multiple interactive jobs. So the one thing is it has the ability to handle the multiple interactive jobs. And here the processor time is shared among multiple users. So the only thing here is the difference here is the processor time is shared. Whatever the processor time is there for executing a jobs, so the processor time is shared among multiple users. So just see the difference between this time sharing and multi-programming, then you will understand what the feature that added to this multi-programming to make it as a time sharing system. Multi-programming and time sharing system. So let me explain what is this here. The principal objective. So if you consider the principal objective, what is this multi-programming principal objective? The main principal objective of multi-programming is maximize the processor use. So in multi-programming, the processor use will be maximized. We can use more maximum size of the processor. And whereas in time sharing, the time sharing is just minimizes the response time. So the response time will be minimized in time sharing. So that is the main principal objective of using the time sharing system. So that means the idle time will be reduced when compared to multi-programming. And next, coming to the source of directive. Source of directives to operating system. So what are the sources of directives to the operating system? For multi-programming, the source of directive to operating system are job control language commands, which provided with the job. So whereas in time sharing system, the source of directive to operating system is commands entered at the terminals. So this is the main difference between the multi-programming batch system and the time sharing system. So let me explain more clearly this time sharing system. Suppose if you have taken operating system, so this operating system is executing a sequence of jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4. So here these all jobs are present in the, it's occupying 0 to 512 kilobytes. Here, the multiple jobs are executed by the CPU by switching so frequently. Okay, so here the jobs are switching so frequently when compared to the multi-programming. So multiple jobs, so these are the multiple jobs. These multiple jobs are executed by the CPU by switching so frequently. Thus, the user can receive, the main aim of time sharing is here, the user can receive an immediate response. Immediate response. Why it is the user receives the immediate response? Because the multiple jobs are executed so frequently. So here it minimizes the response time. The CPU's response time is minimizing with the help of time sharing system. With the help of time sharing system. Okay. So now let us see what are the advantages and disadvantages of using the time sharing system. Advantages. The first advantage of using time sharing system is it provide advantage of quick response. The first main thing is provide quick response. And next, it avoids duplication of software. Time sharing system avoids duplication of software, and also it reduces the CPU idle time because the jobs are executing frequently, so it reduces CPU idle time. Now coming to the disadvantages of using time sharing system. So what are the disadvantages? Problem of reliability, problem of reliability, and questions of security arises. Question of security and integrity of user program and data. And the same way, the problem of data communication will be there in time sharing. Problem of data communication. So this is about the time sharing operating system. Thank you.